Hello everyone, I'm Negar, a researcher in nutrition, food, and metabolic health with a strong enthusiasm for bioinformatics and data science. Today, I'd like to share a study that's especially close to my heart, a project that actually stemmed from my master's thesis, exploring how a plant-based natural ingredient, bitter almond gum, can influence key aspects of metabolic health in people struggling with being overweight, insulin resistance, and hyperlipidemia. When we think of gum, we might imagine something sweet and chewy, but this one is different. Bitter almond gum is a plant-derived polysaccharide rich in prebiotic fibers and bioactives that can nourish the gut microbiota and influence metabolic process throughout the body. Our goal was to see whether supplementing with this natural gum could improve body weight, triglyceride, insulin levels, and insulin resistance, four crucial markers tied to obesity and metabolic syndrome. To test this, we conducted a randomized clinical trial, or RCT, among overweight participants with hyperlipidemia. They were given bitter almond gum daily in beverages for several weeks, and we closely monitored their metabolic and biochemical responses. And the results were exciting. Participants who received the bitter almond gum showed significant reductions in body mass index, serum triglycerides, and fasting insulin levels. Even more importantly, we observed a decrease in insulin resistance, measured by HOMA-IR index, which is a reliable indicator of how efficiently the body responds to insulin. In simple terms, their bodies became better at using insulin, which can play a powerful role in preventing diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Interestingly, these benefits occurred without drastic dietary changes or medications, suggesting that bitter almond gum itself, likely through its bioactives and prebiotic properties, helped modulate metabolism. It might do this by feeding beneficial gut microbes, supporting better lipid regulation and glucose control, a connection that's increasingly recognized as a part of the gut metabolism axis. Of course, like any research, our study had its limits. It was relatively short-term, and we still need larger, long-term studies to understand exactly how this natural compound intersects with the microbiome and metabolic pathways. But these early findings open the door to new, affordable, and natural strategies for improving metabolic health, especially in populations where access to expensive treatments is limited. I'm proud that this work contributes to the growing body of evidence linking plant-based foods, nutrition, and metabolic balance. If you're a fellow researcher, clinician, or simply someone interested in how food and biology intersect, I hope this sparks your curiosity and maybe even inspires future collaborations. Thank you for listening. I'm Negar, and this was a glimpse into my research on the metabolic potential of bitter almond gum. Stay healthy, stay curious, and until next time, take care.